The source of my song is the Savior. The reason for my singing is the main reality. It does not depend upon my circumstances, for Jesus is the source of my song. Life is a song worth singing, though it can be a hard melody. But if we keep our eyes on Jesus, He can turn the pain into perfect harmony. Oh, the source of my song is the Savior. The reason for my singing is the main reality. It does not depend upon my circumstances, for Jesus is the source of my song.
Good evening, everyone. We are the Grace and Truth Order from Highland-Anderson College. My name is Madison Baxter. I'm from St. Leonard, Maryland. I'll be a senior this fall studying music education.
Hey y'all, my name is Lillian Baxter, and yes, we're sisters. I am also from St. Leonard, Maryland, and I'll be a sophomore in the fall studying missions education.
Hey everyone, my name is Tim Araújo. I'm from São Paulo, Brazil. I just graduated in May with a degree in pastoral theology. At the piano from Monterrey, Mexico, we have Jared Aguirre, who is also studying pastoral theology and who will be a sophomore in the fall.
If we only sing when we're happy, we will not be singing very long. But if we're singing